Welcome to everybody. In this video we will show you how to test and diagnose a load cell with a multimeter and linear geo indicator. For this test you need your load cell, a multimeter, an insulation meter, a linear geo indicator and a simple weight. First of all, always perform a physical inspection of the load cell. In particular, check for signs of rust or corrosion, especially around the seals or weldings. Then check for cracks on the load cell body, especially around fixing holes or flex point. Then check the cable and the wires for cuts or abrasions. Damage to the cable can expose strain gauges to water or chemicals, resulting in drifting of the output signal or complete load cell failure. Now perform an input and output resistance test. For this test, you need a multimeter. Check if input resistance and output resistance are within tolerance range. Connect the multimeter to the excitation wires of the load cell for input resistance. And to signal wires for output resistance. You can find wires color code and relevant tolerance range on the datasheet of the load cell. After, perform insulation test to determine if electrical current is leaking to the load cell body. Also to check for water damage to strain gauges. For this test, you need insulation meter. Connect all the input and output wires to negative terminal of the insulation meter and positive terminal to shield. Now apply 50 volt to terminals and read insulation value on the display. Repeat the measure connecting positive terminal to load cell body. You can find insulation resistance range on the datasheet of the load cell. The last test is zero balance test. For this test, you need a linear geo indicator. Connect load cell to indicator terminal blocks according to wires color code. Enter the menu indicator to set up and go to microvolt step. This step enables you to measure the load cell output signal in microvolts. Then apply a load to the load cell. And check if signal rises to load and drop to the initial value. You can find zero balance signal range on the datasheet. Thanks for watching. If you need more help on some information, please contact us by phone or through our website.